In the hustle and bustle of our modern lives, many of us find ourselves constantly juggling work, family, and other commitments. In this fast-paced world, it's all too easy to overlook the importance of self-care. With packed schedules and demanding jobs, we often end up neglecting our health, which can lead to a range of health issues. We become so fixated on completing our never-ending to-do lists that we fail to prioritize the most essential aspect of our lives, our health. As a result, we grab fast food on the go, skip workouts because we're too busy, and allow our bodies and minds to suffer the consequences. But what if there was a way to lead a long, fulfilling life without compromising our health? But what if I told you that there is someone who, at the age of 92, is an inspiration for all of us to stay healthy and active? Meet Mika Takishima, a 92-year-old fitness instructor from Japan who is a living testament to the power of healthy living. Her story is an inspiration for anyone looking to prioritize their health and well-being. And in this video, we'll explore what we can learn from her and how we too can lead a healthier, more fulfilling life. Takishima Mika was born in 1930 in Kagoshima, Japan, and grew up during World War II and the period of Japan's Reconstruction. In her youth, she was interested in traditional Japanese dance and studied in this field. Later, in the 1980s, she discovered fitness and began teaching aerobic and gymnastics classes. Mika's story is undoubtedly an inspiration for anyone looking to prioritize their health and well-being. She's a shining example of how a commitment to staying active and healthy can lead to a fulfilling and meaningful life. One of the key lessons we can learn from Mika is the importance of healthy eating. Mika firmly believes that a balanced diet is essential for a long and healthy life. Her diet consists mainly of vegetables, fruits, and whole grains, which provide her with the necessary nutrients to fuel her active lifestyle. Mika avoids processed foods and sugar, which can lead to a range of health issues, including diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. In addition to healthy eating, Mika also emphasizes the importance of staying physically active. She believes that staying active not only helps to keep the body in shape but also has a positive impact on mental health. Mika starts her day with yoga and breathing exercises, and teaches fitness classes in the park. She practices yoga, weightlifting, and stretching, and she encourages others to find physical activities they enjoy and make them a part of their daily routine. She believes that physical activity is key to staying healthy and that it's never too late to start. Mika's commitment to leading a healthy lifestyle has undoubtedly contributed to her longevity and vitality. By following her example and prioritizing healthy eating and physical activity, we too can improve our health and well-being, and hopefully, live a long and fulfilling life. Over the years, Mika Takishima has received numerous awards and honors, including the Order of Culture from the Japanese government for her contribution to promoting a healthy and active lifestyle. She is an inspirational example for anyone who wants to maintain their health and improve their quality of life through regular physical exercise and a healthy lifestyle. In a world where we're constantly bombarded with unhealthy food options and sedentary lifestyles, Mika's story is a reminder that it's never too late to take control of our health and well-being. Let's remember that age is just a number and we can all take steps towards a healthier and happier life. Mika's dedication and commitment to her health are truly admirable, and her story is an inspiration to us all. So, I encourage you to follow her example and make healthy choices a part of your daily routine. Who knows? Maybe we too can reach 92 and still be as healthy and active as she is. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, like, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories and tips on living a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching.